So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to explain you in this video about electronic devices and circuit, that relationship between diffusion constant, mobility and thermal voltage. So and this relation can be also known as Einstein equation. Okay, so let's say what is the relationship is nothing but dN by mu n equals to dP by mu p equals to Vt. Okay, this is the relationship between dm and Vt. D means diffusion constant and n means it's an electron, p means hole. Okay, so this is the diffusion constant of electron, the mobility of electron, and this is the thermal voltage. This is the diffusion constant of hole, and p means mobility of hole, and this is the thermal voltage. This equation is also known as Einstein's equations. In the reverse way, I can write mu n by dn equals to mu p by dp equals to 1 by Vt. So that means the reciprocal of this relationship is like this, we can represent. So I can say d by mu is directly proportional to Vt. Vt means thermal voltage and it is directly depends on the temperature. So that means I can say d by mu is directly depends on temperature. Is that clear? Or I can say mu by d means the reciprocal is inversely varies with temperature, that means 1 by T, right? This is nothing but the ratio. So mobility to diffusion constant, unit of mobility to diffusion constant is nothing but mobility to diffusion constant means mobility divided by diffusion, that means 1 by Vt, that means 1 by voltage. Vt means thermal voltage and the unit is volt. So that means I can say 1 by volt or V inverse. Okay, this is the unit of mobility to diffusion constant. The next topic is diffusion constant of a charge carrier. Electron diffusion constant mu n into Vt. Okay, because the main relationship we know that dn by mu n equals to Vt. If you do the cross multiplication, dn equals to mu n into Vt. So that's why electron diffusion constant is mu n into Vt. Similarly, hole diffusion constant is mu p into Vt, the unit of d. So it is mu into Vt. Mu, we know the unit of mu is centimeters by volt second, volt into second multiplied with Vt. Vt means only volt. Volt cancel. So it is centimeter square per second is the unit of diffusion constant. Diffusion constant is the material constant which is related with the property of diffusion. Now d equals to mu into Vt, we know this relationship d equals to mu into Vt. Now whenever temperature increases means we know mobility of the charge carrier decreases. This mu will decrease, mu decrease means d will also decrease. Okay, so that means I can write that with the increase of temperature diffusion constant decreases. Okay, so the diffusion constant of the charge carrier decreases with the temperature. For germanium and silicon, this diffusion constant value is different because their mobility, the value of mobility is also different. For germanium at 300 Kelvin, the diffusion constant value is dn equals to 99 centimeter square per second and dp is 47 centimeter square per second. This is for germanium. Okay, and for silicon at 300 Kelvin, dn or electron diffusion constant is 34 centimeter square per second and hole diffusion constant for silicon is 13 centimeter square per second. Okay, and these values you can calculate from mu n and Vt, multiplication of mu n and Vt, because d equals to mu n and into Vt. For germanium, the ratio of dn by dp, if you calculate the ratio, the divide it, you will get 2.1. and for silicon this ratio of dN by dP 2.6. This is the ratio of electron diffusion constant to the hole diffusion constant for germanium and silicon.